Hey guys, today I'm changing the Mini Cooper S R56 exhaust system. I've opted for Hornet Exhaust system. I just bought one pre-owned because apparently these are quite loud and I'm not 100% certain if it's going to be my cup of tea. As you can see, I've got the normal Cooper S exhaust system on there, which I think is very quiet. So I want something with a bit more noise. I did fit this graphics recently, but I'm going to be taking it all off because I'm thinking about going for printed graphics, which I'll be doing myself. I'm also going to replace this bottom D-chrome with a blue D-chrome. I might do a belt line on this eventually, and the alloys also will be going black, but the purpose of this video is to show you the changing of the exhaust system. So to remove the old exhaust system, I've lifted the car up at the front. I'll be having to remove this bracket because it comes straight from the downpipes onwards, so the sensor here won't be affected. Onwards there won't be any middle silencer in the new one, and then it's gonna stretch all the way to the back and have a new back box. So The hardest part was actually attaching the rubber sections that go on these. Other than that, it seemed to be a pretty simple job. As you can see, I did it on my driveway. It's quite muddy. That's just something I had to put up with, unfortunately. Yeah, pretty pleased, guys. So right, so guys, just going to do a cold start on this one with the new exhaust fitted.